Hi friends, welcome to my C# tutorial. Now I am tell about that concept of how to insert, update, delete by using the if-else condition. This if-else condition used to very important concept of about POS, point of sale system, library management system, and the stock management system. Every system insert, update, delete, the product insert and the product management, and then stocks management, everything we can maintain, the accounts management, the vendor management, everything entry and then delete concept also. Entry maintenance and what I am telling means all the details we can manage by using this system. Okay, so this type of method of project only we can handle. Okay, so it's very important to the point of sale system, okay, such as the DMart system, complex, and then supermarket complex. This type of concept software only they are using. Okay, so okay, now friend, I tell about this concept. So I go to start about this concept definitely with helpful concept to everyone, the beginner also and then also the developer also. Okay, so I think it's very useful to developer. Okay, okay friends, how to insert, update, delete and then view and then search record using if-else conditions in C# program for point of sale system and then library management system. POS means point of sale and elements means library management system. So it's not elements, and then this is a stock management also. Okay, so stock management system, okay, SMS, the stock management system. Okay, see, this stock management system contain this type of software only. Okay, so see what is the uses of this type of concept of this type of project. Okay, so this type of project used to the point of sale management system maintenance. Okay, product maintenance. Suppose you are selling the particular product and then we need some detail about the how much remain the product. Okay, from total product to selling product, minus means how much product we have, that one we need. So that type of the tin number, everything maintained by using this type of insert, update, delete. Okay, okay, the same as the stock management and then account management, and then also point of the product entry. Okay, how many products we are using in our DMart, and then how much product we are selling, like that also we can entry in this point of sale system. Not only point of system, all the system. Okay, library management system also like that. Okay, so this all the events uses of this insert, update, delete concept. Okay, so this project I am already done, but I am telling here manually. Okay, so I step by step I will tell to you. Okay, so first I go to tell about this concept. See, I already designed this concept. See, I go to open this Visual Studio. See, this is my project. So this time go to Control F5. So the project open here. Okay, now I go to if I entered here means if I go to this one, automatically increment I set to here, automatic increment I set it to this ID, and then I am declare here Mohan like this I am declare, and then go to product, declare the books product, and then go to status and declare here yes. Okay, it's available like this. Okay, so just I click add means. Okay, what happened means just we want to go to here, where is this, I want to close it first of all. What happened I tell to you, I want to set this primary key to this definition of, see, I'm not set to this primary key. I want to set the primary key to this column. Okay, so auto increment, so set primary key, and then I want to go to that this place of identifications. So here I want to set yes. Now control yes, so it will be saved. Okay, now control C, I go to show the table data, of this. So these all are empty. Okay, now I am going to execute. So this record empty. Okay, now control F5. Now it's go to run it. Now I go to enter so I'm not declare here the number. Okay, why means I'm set the auto increment of the table, okay, the column of ID. Okay, so I go to set primary key to the ID. Okay, that purpose I'm not declare there, and then I go to set your name, that Mohan, and then products declare as books, and then also go to declare the status as the books available. Okay, so status also as click add means it will be add, and then edit means it will be automatically edit, and delete means it will be delete. And then you want to search means whenever load the form at the time it automatically search all the record from the database to this data form. Okay, so just click. So first of all I open here this form means you are not visible here any record. Why means no record inside of the database, so that purpose no record available. Whenever I click add, that time that record added here. Okay, so the first record Morgan, and then so now I am go to close it means. Okay, so again I control F5 means so defaultly it will become, so automatically it will be search here. Okay, now I am going to double click this record means the record will get to this text box. Okay, and then I want to change the books. This is not a book. I go to declare note. Okay, notes. Okay, notes. I'm declaring notes. Okay, the product ID number 1, the Morgan is a seller, and the product name, and then like this. Okay, I'm go to now. Before I click add button, so defaultly added. Now I click again add button, but if not added, it will be edited. Okay, so it will be automatically edit. Okay, it will be books are changed. Why means it will be respect to change the ID. Okay, the record change with respect to ID number. Okay, before I'm not declare ID, so just click add. So the notes change here. Okay, see notes it will be changed here. Okay. Okay friends, suppose I click delete button means it will be delete. Okay, with respect to this ID. Okay, so how is to do? Okay, so this concept I am declared, but I want to tell here step by step. So step by step I want to tell you that purpose I am going to create again once again the new form. Okay, so just I want to go to open the Solution Explorer view, and then Solution Explorer. Where is the Solution Explorer? We want to see that. Okay, Solution Explorer available here. Okay, solution. So form 1 available. So just I am going to right click, add, and then new, add, and then new project. New project. We need new project or new form. New form. Okay, so just go to click the project, and then go to add new items. Sorry, if you want select the Windows form also, you can select the Windows form. Okay, so add, and then go to Windows form. This is form 2. Okay, so just go to add this form 2. Okay, and then I want to go to change this. Okay, I want to go to change that form color. Okay, so like this I want to go to change the form color. Where is the form background color? Background color I go to declared this one. I think it's okay. Okay, now I go to get all the designs from that form 1. Okay, so I go to form 1 design. So this is form 1 design. So just I select this all, and then control C, and then go to form 2, control V. Okay, like this we can declare. Okay, now I go to design this one. So just again also in selector I want to Now I go to run program. You want to change here form 2, control S. Before the form 1 available here, but now I am declared a form 2. Now go to control F5, so the function will be open. Control F5, so the form 2 open here. Okay, so this is form 2. Now I am going to click add or anything, it's not function. Okay, so default I am declared here, and then here also declare, and then here also declare, and click add means it's not added here. Why means it's not here, I have not declared any code to this form. Okay, so now I go to design this form. Sorry, I have not designed here. Now I go to set the status. Okay, so first of all I want to click add means the record should be added here. Okay, so double click here. I want to declare some data here before. First of all, why means we should declare here using system dot data dot SQL client. Why I am declared this one means we should filter that SQL connection. Okay, the SQL tags like this. When I type here SQL, so defaultly we get the all the tags here. Okay, so like this. The purpose suppose I am not declare this. See, I am added here. Here I am going to type SQL. Okay, but not filter that SQL tags here. Okay, so the purpose we should call that this namespace. Okay, now I go to declare here SQL, so all the records we get here. Okay, SQL connection and declare the connection name here ABC equal to new SQL connection. Between these two function bracket we should declare the SQL connection. So this is the POS practice. Okay, this is POS practice of database. Okay, so how to create a database, everything I am already told to you, but this in this place I already done the project, so the purpose I am defaultly declared here. So I am showed you once again that definition. I am declared that ID in integer, and the name varchar, and then product varchar, and the status also varchar. Okay, so everything I am set in varchar only, and then only I am set the primary key to that in yes. Okay, primary key I am set to here, that auto increment identification also yes I am declared. Okay, now I control S, save it means after it will be saved. So how to create database, this concept I already told to you. I'll just see the before concept of video. Okay, so now I'm go to this project of this database of connection I want to get. So just right click this project, the database. So right click this database, the property window open. So double click property, so the property window open here. So connection string available here. So double click this connection string and then copy and paste between this double quotation. Okay, like this you should declare. Okay friends, okay, see here I am using the SQL Express edition. Okay, so just I go to declare double slash front slash. Okay, why means we are using the C#. Whenever you doing the C# program, at the time you should declare here double slash front slash. If you are using the VB program means that time you should declare here single front slash only. Okay friends, now control S save. Okay, now I save it. Okay, what is the next concept of means? See, just I go to here, just I go to form design 2. Okay, so double click this add button. In this button, what I want to declare, see, I go to the program file. Okay, in this program file I am already declared this. See, here also I'm using the SQL Express. Okay, so okay, now it's limited. Here we should declare that one. In this button click event, see, I go to design, I am click double click this button click event. In this button click event, I want to declare that add and update. Okay, sorry, insert and update anything. Okay, that is my concept in this single button. Okay, and then in this delete button, I should declare delete concept only. Okay, so whenever this form loaded, at the time we need fetch a record from database to this grid view. Okay, this is the condition. So just I go to double this one. So first of all I want to insert that record, then after I fetch the record, then after I want to modification record, then after I want to delete the record. So just I want to go to the double click here. So first here one thing I want to declare that condition for manually. So what is that manually means? Already I declared here. This is the manual program. Okay, so just I go to here, I declare control V. What is this? I am declared here. See, I search record like this. I am declare one condition in bool value. Okay, the true or false value, and declare private condition of search record. Okay, this is the record with respect to the SQL connection, and then string of the SSS. Okay, so select all record. So what I am declaring in this query, select all record from the register table. In this register table, select all record from the register table where ID, what is that ID? Okay, in this SSS, that one I get to this string. Okay, this connection, in this connection I am called the SQL connection, and then string of this record. Okay, so this all record I get to in this string, and with respect to the connection. So this connection of bool variable I call to the insert function. Okay, so if condition, I am using if condition here, declare control V, sorry, control Z. Here I am declared this, control C, and then declare here this if condition, control V. And then here also we should open bracket and then close bracket. Okay, like this I am declared. So this record I call to here, where means the button click event 1. So insert update button click event. Okay, so this record I get to this place. Okay, suppose what is this value? This is a string. Okay, this string where I want to call. So I am declared here the connection, and then string I call into the bool of variable name. The variable name declare, and the same as connection I want to, the same as this connection I want to call to this record. Okay, so A B C comma such as same, and then again string I am declare here yes. So here what I declared means the string with respect to ID. Okay, so what is that ID? ID is declared in text box 1. So the text box 1 value I want to call into this place. This place I want to declare the text box 1 dot text. Now you will be understood. So the text box 1 dot text. So that is the string. So that string value and then connection. This string value called to this place, and then this place goes to here. So here I am declare fifth record, means that fifth record of all the record we will get. Okay, like this it will be function. Okay, so now I go to here declare insert concept. Okay, so just I go to declare here one where condition, where I am declared here SQL command query. Okay, SQL command query equal empty. I am declared here empty. Okay, so this SQL command query I am declared MMD declared. Okay, SQL command query I am declared like this. So this value just I copy and then paste here equal. In this place I should call that connection. Okay, so what is the insert query? I am already done that, so that just I copy that. So just I copy this update query. Okay, so just copy this update query in and then Control C and then go to Control V. Control V. Okay, so the status is 4th text box and then product is 3rd text box and then ID is 1st text box. So and then also name is the second text box. So the text box 1 I am declared here ID. Okay, so what I am declared the text box that time with respect to this text box value I get to into this this text box. This text box I declare in string, so this string can be called here. So the record it's possible means it will be function. Okay, like this. Okay, and then I go to call that else condition. Else what happened? Else what happened to us? Just go to declare here same as SQL command query equal double quotation, finish the program, and then here I go to call that insert query. So I am declared here update query. First of all we want to update, after only we should insert here. Okay, so just I am go to form here, just copy this code from here to home. So the insert query just copy and then paste into this place. Okay, so that all are called to here. Okay, so insert time why I am not declared here ID means I am set the primary key. Okay, so it will be automatically incremented the number of data record, it will be automatically incremented. So that purpose I am declared like this. Okay, and then what I want to do means like this I am declared here, and then I want to go to declare here execute. Okay, the SQL command dot SQL command I am declared the variable name ASS. This is the variable name of command, new SQL command the SS ASS dot execute non-query. Okay, and then connection. What is the connection? Connection name is that ABC. Okay, ABC dot close. Like this we should declare. So the ASS execute, int execute. This is not int execute non-query. Like this you should declare. Control S. Dot execute non-query. Control S. Okay, before we want to open that connection. Okay, so just we want to open the connection, so just we go to open connection. What is it? abc dot open finished. Okay, now control S. Now it's saved. Okay friends, see now I save it. Okay, so now control S and then control F5. What happened, we will see it. Okay, so no record available. Now I go to insert another one record. Okay, here before I inserted Mohan, now I go to insert one John, and then he also using that books, and then he also sells books, and the status is like this. Okay, so it's a sample concept, so you can use this concept to number of product you are using here, means you can declare many text box like this. You can insert, update, edit, everything you can possible to every text box. I am using sample, the name, product, status. If you are using that product name, product ID, and the product rate, everything, okay, you want to insert, means just to declare here and insert into that quantity of products, everything you can just declare the sample of 3 text box only. You can use many text box like this. Okay, so just go to click add, so it will be added. Okay, but not showing here. Okay, so how it's stored? Okay, so just I want to filter the record from the database. So how to filter the record? So I want to show the record also. Okay, say I go to execute, so the Morgan available. So like this, same as I go to declare that all the record to this place. Okay, so like this, but not accepted this. See the SQL command connection, I want to call that place. Okay, I am not call this record, so control F5, sorry, I want to go to that form 2. Here I want to call that query string. See this query string, control C, and then call to this place, control V, and then comma connection ABC. ABC, control S. Now I go to control F5. Control F5. So now it's open. Now I go to John. Now I go to John, declare John. Using this person using that pen. Okay, this pen product. Product, and then they are using yes. Okay, so edit, sorry, add. Now it will be add. Okay, so how to find it, means just to go to the data, execute, what happened? Okay, everything right, and then also go to here, same as I am declared here, ABC, and then connection also ABC, go to move like this, status, everything possible, and text also, search record, returns, and okay. So now I want to search a record. Okay, first of all I want to search the record, I want to load the record. So load the record means just I go to declare that one value. Okay, public. Okay, I am declaring public void void and then search function. Here I want to declare yes. Okay, so in this place I declare the search code. I already done that. I want to save the time, so that purpose I go to the search record. Here is the search. This is search concept. So just to copy this old record, just to go to declare into this, control V, control S. Okay, so just this function I am called into this place, the save and update query after, and then go to form load event. Whenever they load the form, at the time we should filter the record. Okay, so that purpose we should filter this. Okay, now I go to control F5. So the form will be loading, so it will be loaded. Okay, now it's open. Now I go to add another one form. Okay, so just to go to add some data and then also some data and then also some data. I go to add means. This program, select all from the ID. I declare the SSS like this, and then search the record and then form. Okay, control S. Now I am come to the bottom. Z query also right. This I am called here, this command I am called here, and then this connection also I get here, and this one's closed. Okay, now it's open and closed also possible. Okay, everything possible, and then right. So just I go to control F5. Now it will be get. Okay, so now I go to declare here second one record, and then go to sign one record, and then go to sign one record. Now it will be automatically generated second record. Okay, so like this we can get. So friends, see this. So see this function of the text box connection, the function of connection and then string I am called in this place. Okay, so what I am declared that in that text box one, with respect to we want to get record from all the register function box. Okay, so the record get from the text box. This is the function as the text box one. Okay, y means I am declared here text box one. Okay, so in this text box I want to update some data. Control F5. Okay, so just to double click this record. This is not a proper record, so I want to double click this, so it will be not get here. So I want to double click. Okay, so double click event very simple. Okay, so just I go to design this form. In this form, first of all the data grid we want to select, and then go to this event click, and then go to mouse double click event. Where is the mouse double click event? Here. So mouse double click event, double click. So here you want to declare the code for double click. Okay, see this is mouse double click event. Control C. So the text box 1 value selected rows, selected cell, it will be so like this. It will be seen means it will be definitely it will be understood. Okay. Just time go to paste to here, Control S. So now I go to Control F5. What happened? See, double click here. This record. Control F5. So the record came here, double click here, so automatically we will get. Now I go to change the name John. And declare here John, and then June, and then I declare here node, and then I declare here no. Okay, like this, and then click add. Now and click add means it will be update. Okay, it's not incremented. Okay, so click update means it will be update. See, automatically update. Why means, see, first we want to check that. First we want to check that update. Okay, this if condition update query and declare first of all. Then after go to insert. So I am update with respect to the text box 1 ID. Okay, the text box 1 of ID. It will be checked. Okay, if the text box value get to this place here, so it will be 0 0. So the record 0 to greater than 0 means, okay, greater than 0 means it will be increment, but if not greater than 0 means it will be same record, it will be is there, and then we can get that update. Okay, we can get update. Okay, we can do update. Okay, so see, simply I am telling here, this update query, first of all it will be checked, after it will go to check insert. Okay, so I am go to debug here, that time only you can understood. So Control S and then Control F5. Now I am go to update this one. This is I am declare yes. Okay, now I go to edit. Okay, it will be go to edit. Okay, and then I go to update here. Jones. When click update means it will be Jones like this game. Okay, so Control F5. Okay, now I go to once again Control F5. Now I go to insert another one record. Okay, so sample record I am declared here. Now add, so it will be added. Now I go to check. Control F5. So the record, select all record with respect to the SQL string as a string. The string name of the SSS. This function as the text box 1. Okay, text box 1 means I am declared here text box 1. So this text box 1 of value I get from this text box 1. So where ID equal, see, where ID equal text box 1. Okay, so text box 1 value 2 means it will be function as a 2. The second record of all records we will get into a data table. So the data record, the database of record greater than 0. So it will be as a 1 means it will be function as true. Okay, otherwise it goes to false. Okay, So I get a true record, so that purpose it will be updated automatically. Okay, suppose I get false record means, okay, suppose I get false record, means in this function I am not get same ID. Okay, 2 I am not declare 2, I am declaring another one record, adding another one record, this third or fourth or fifth or any another one, so it will be counted. Same record means it will be update, otherwise it's a new record means it will be go to false. So that purpose it goes to insert query, it will be checked insert update query, then after it will be checked insert query, it will be function automatically. Okay, so like this it will be function. Okay friends, we can get the record and then fetch and then everything now happened here. So just I go to control F5, I go to add another one record. Suppose I want to change the record means just go to change. Here I declare that some other name. Okay, so here I declare Joyce and then declare here toys and then declare here nose. Okay, so just add means it will be update. Okay, suppose I want to add another one record means it will be update. Okay, so suppose double click means it will be came here, it's double click means it will be get here. So update and then insert everything I am told to you, and then search the record. Whenever load the form at the time the record also filter from the database, and then this one update and insert everything I am told to you. But now I am going to tell about the delete. Okay, whenever you need not this record, I go to close that record. Okay, so delete the record. So how to terminate that record? Okay, so just I go to double click this button. Okay, the delete button, I go to double click this delete button. So in this delete button I declare that query string. Okay, so what is that query string? That one I am declared here manually. Okay, in this form one I am not declared that delete query also. See, I am not anywhere, I am not declared update and then insert and then search record and then double click, that one only I am declared. Okay, I am not declared the delete record. Okay, so that one delete concept I will tell to you in this current form. Okay, so the mouse double click event of the button click event, delete button click event open here. Here I am going to declare that SQL connection. Okay, so I already declared that SQL connection, so I want to declare that variable. So what is that variable? See, the same variable object I want to copy. Control C and then debug, I go to close and then go to button. Here I want to call that control B. Okay, now I declare here one if condition for if condition. In this if condition I call that search result. Okay, search result. Sorry, search record. Okay, search record. Search record means why I am declared the search record means, see, I am declared here. This is search record function. Okay, the SQL connection and the string also. Okay, with respect to we want to delete. Okay, so we want to get ID. That purpose only I am declared this condition. This condition we want to respect the text box ID. So that purpose I am declared this condition. Okay, so I am declared that same condition search record. Okay, this search record I am first in this search record function bool first connection called and then string called. Okay, so just I want to call this same as this in this place. So just to open bracket, here I want to connection. What is the connection? ABC connection, and then go to comma, the text box value one dot text. This is that conditions. Okay, next end open bracket and then close bracket. Here I want to declare that query. Okay, and then also we want to close that another one close bracket. Okay, now you want to pass that query for close that connection. What is the connection? ABC dot open. First of all we want to open the connection and then close it. Now I am going to that connection query. We want to command query I want to copy and then I want to paste here. Okay, equal double quotation. In this double quotation I want to pause that string query, the query string. Okay, the query string I want to pause here. What is that query string? Delete from register same as register same as you should declare same as. Okay, spell mistake, but same as you should declare register get it from register where id equal single quote id equal double quote plus plus double quote single quote. Here we should declare the text box name, text box on dot text. Okay, and now I'm going to declare that SQL command. Okay, SQL command, and declare that variable name equal new SQL command. Here I want to pause that connection ABC. Before I want to pause that SQL command query. Okay, and then the command, and then finish it, and then go to ASA dot execute null query. Okay, and the connection we should close. What is that connection means? ABC dot close. Okay, Control S. So like this we should declare. This is condition. Okay, but not record deleted means what happen? Else I am going to declare here one condition for to that. I am declared here message box dot show Here I want to declare some detail. Incorrect ID, like this I am declare. Okay, like this I am declare incorrect ID. Control S. Now Control F5. So it will be open here. Now I am going to delete means the message will be show here. Okay, when I click this, message will be show here but not open. What happened? Just to go to now it will be run. Okay, now I am going to delete means the message box will be so. Okay, why means here not available that record ID. Okay, without record means it will be not delete the message box. So if having the ID means in this text box it will be a delete. Okay, so delete click means the message box incorrect ID, so not declare the ID. Okay, so just close it. Now I am going to double click this record means, so record will be came here. So now I am going to click delete means, so that it will be the connection current state is open. What is that means? Connection dot close, and then then execute this one. Okay. Select all from register, delete the records. Control F5, control text box on the text. Open, delete from register where id equal text box 1. Okay, it will be also right, and then command is okay. Control F5. Connection was not closed. The connection, its current state is open. Okay, it will be closed means it will be function. Okay, so two connection I opened here, so that purpose. Control S and then control F5. Now it will be function. See, now I am going to delete, so incorrect ID, so that purpose can't to delete. Now I am going to double click this one, so the record get here. Now I delete means it will be delete. Okay, how to see this? Okay, here also we want call that this search code. Okay, this search code we want to call control C and then go to declare. After this program, control S, control F5. So the two record only available. So third record you want to add means just click add means it will be automatically add. Okay, the third record not came. Why means it's set as a auto increment. The primary key I am set at, so that purpose it will be once you are using the ID means we can't use another time that same ID. Okay, so just I am go to click this record means just delete. So the fourth delete, double this fifth delete, and then double this sixth delete. Okay friends, so we can filter the record and then we can insert the record and then we can update, delete everything possible. So we can use this method. We can enter the maintain the products. So what is that products? Everything we can set here. Suppose if you have sell the record means, sell the product means, so it's automatically increment reduced here. Okay, whatever so number of items, total number of items, that one erased it like this. Okay, so what I'm telling you are understood. So like this you can entry that, you can stock management, you can maintain everything with respect to this concept. Okay friends, I will tell the best concept how to auto increment of product and how to auto delete everything. I will tell in before in future concept. Okay, it's very useful to every stock management system and then library management system, the point of sale system in the DMart complex or supermarket complex. Okay friends, thank you to, it's very useful to, I hope you, it's very useful to every developer. Thank you friends, we will meet in next concept in next video. If you like this video, just share it, and then if you like this video means just subscribe me for future videos, and then if you have any concept you want to learn means just comment to me. Thank you, bye for now.